Hola, hola, hola guys, it's me and I'm coming to you with a quick lip swatch. This is a, I guess, fairly new product. It hasn't been out that long, and I may be a little itty bitty late, but I did manage to get some of them finally. So these are the KVD Vegan Beauty, what is it? Vinyl lip cream. Did I say that right? Yes, vinyl lip cream. So these are basically the liquid, you know, it's like a high gloss lipstick, but it's, you know, like with a high gloss, blah blah blah. You know the deal with those. So I purchased 4 colors, which are these right here, and there's a couple of other colors. Yes, so there are 6 colors, so I just wanted to get on the Sephora website and just be sure of what I was telling you guys. So there are 6 colors, and this is the KVD Vegan Beauty XO Vinyl Lip Cream Lip Gloss. So it's definitely going to be a lip gloss. There are 6, I have 4 colors of these 6, and each one is $20. So they're $20 a pop. You can find them at Sephora or Sephora.com because all the Sephora stores are closed right now, or you can get them on their website. So I just wanted to quickly get into the 4 colors that I have. The other 2 I didn't get because they were kind of dark. They were like burgundy or whatever. I really don't care for those colors, and I'm not really gonna use those colors. So the colors that I did get is Carnation, which is a nice kind of like antique rose. I got the color Blossom, which is more of a neutral. I kind of feel like the lighting is too bright. I'm not sure. I guess we'll see how the video comes out. The next color, and this was one of my favorites because I love pink, so this is in the color Rosita. And the final color, which gotta have a nice sexy red, so I got their red in, this is the color Tulip. So I'm gonna go ahead and try those out. So I'm gonna start with the lighter color, and that is going to be the Blossom. Okay, so I closed you up a little bit so you can see myself. And here's the color right here. And this is standard doe foot applicator, as you can see. Looks like there's a little bit much up here. Ooh, I like this. Ooh, so you can see that there is definitely coverage on one swipe. If you want more, I would assume you can definitely put more. Ooh, this is so nice, and it feels really nice as well. Okay, so here is the color Blossom. I love this color. It's just so pretty. It's a nice warm chestnutty nude color. I love it. It's so nice, and it actually brings out really nicely the makeup that I have on right now. It's just so pretty, just really nice and flattering. So definitely one of my favorites. Again, this is the color Blossom. So I'm gonna go now into the next color, and that is going to be Carnation. Alrighty, so here is Carnation, which is definitely more of an antique rose. See how that goes so far. Ew. Okay, so this is Carnation, and this is really pretty. This is really a very nice clear description where it's an antique, you know, it's like a beautiful antique vintage rose color. It's really pretty. I think that this is just like the next beautiful, like next step up of like just putting that nice like rosy type fleshy color on the lips. I think it looks so beautiful. I think that it looks effortless, the look. You can tell that you have color, but it's something that's not overwhelming. I think that this is like the perfect carnation pink or vintage rose. So this is a really nice color. So now we're gonna go into the funky stuff. So we're gonna go into this nice funky bubbly pink, and this is in the color Rosita. Yeah, so this one is funky, and I purchased this one first alone, and then the other ones I purchased recently later on. This is the first color that I purchased, and it is pink, y'all. It is pink. Alright, so this one is Rosita, like I said, Rosita. And listen, pink is bomb. I love pink, it's my favorite color. This color I am definitely loving. It is, however, just a side note, a little bit blotchy. You just have to make sure that you evenly apply it. And I noticed that, you know, when I started applying, like it kind of thinned out in the corner, it kind of thinned out. It's one of those colors that it's just a little streaky. That's actually a better word. So it's a beautiful color. Once you get it applied, and you really apply correctly, make sure that's all evenly applied and there are no streaks anywhere. Once you do that, the color is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, this screams spring, this screams summer. I'm absolutely loving this color. So this one is Rosita, and we're going to go in the last color that I got, which is Tulip, which is the ultra sexy red. Well, I'm hoping it is anyway, because I need some nice red shiny lip gloss in my life. So let's go into Tulip. All right, so let's get this red going and see how. And they all, I forgot to mention all that they're all scented. I can't, it kind of smells like vanilla or like cake or something. That's the scent that I get anyway. So yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Ew. Yay! I was not let down. So this is the color Tulip. Gorgeous. Love this red. This is such a pretty, vibrant red. I love it. It even reminds me, like, since I have this little head thing on, like it kind of like brings me back to like those, ooh, got a little bit of my tooth there. Like those 40, like the 40s, and like the red that they would use back then. So pretty. I love it. Just the high sheen is gorgeous, and I just like it. I have nothing bad to say about this red at all. Again, this is the color Tulip. Okay guys, so there you have it. Here are the lip swatches that I provided you guys for the XO vinyl lip gloss from KVD Vegan Beauty. I am loving all of the colors that I got so far. The other two I'm sure are beautiful, but they were just too dark, and I know that, you know, I'm not gonna wear them, don't care for them, so I just didn't pick them up. But I am really loving the colors. They are vibrant, as you can see. It was just a one swipe application. Obviously, if you want to add more color, you can. The formula, I enjoy the formula very much. It smells really nice. It kind of reminds me, I have to say, like vanilla or cake or something, but it reminds me, it smells really yummy to me. So nothing against the smelling nice of the product. The formula I really like because it glided on really smoothly. It feels comfortable, and it's actually not sticky. I kind of thought, you know, usually when you get these kind of like gloopy kind of lip glosses that are, you know, full coverage, a lot of the times they're really gloopy or they're just really sticky. And honestly, it can get gloopy if you put a whole bunch. Well, yes, of course. But you really, I mean, a little to me goes a long way. If you want to add, it's going to be your own personal decision, of course. But as far as it being sticky, I don't feel like it's sticky at all. I think it's really very minimal, which is really a great plus in my book. Definitely a plus if you can wear a gloss that is not so super sticky where you feel like, you know, your hair sticks to your lip, and that's so annoying. But yeah, but I definitely a plus, 2 thumbs up. Love the product, love the formula. I think it's very comfortable, and it feels just really nice. Full coverage again, with the exception of the pink. Like I said, it's just a little tiny bit streaky, so you just want to make sure that you apply correctly. Not correctly, but just apply carefully and fill in where you see like it's kind of streaky. But again, once you get it on, it's absolutely gorgeous. I love all the colors. I really can't pick a favorite because I really like them all. So that is it. So if you want my opinion on should you get this, yeah, you should get this. So get one, get them all, whatever, I don't care. I'm so excited, but I really like the product very, very much. So that's it guys for my lip swatch review. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and that you enjoyed the swatches, and get them online. I know we can't get in store right now, but check it out on the website, and that's about it. So thank you guys for watching this video and hanging out with me for this little short amount of time while I showed you my lips in different colors. So I will see you guys in the next video. Stay safe, guys, and I will see you next time. Adios.